Crazy goose, it all went back when the goose got loose. Crazy times, and that's the tune. Boop-boop-de-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Boss machine held a big surprise for all of the pets got trapped inside. All of them got surprised. Boop-boop-boop-boop-de-doo. What's P-Town gonna do? Some of the pets got super too. Watch out, she's coming through. Oops.
At the P-Town Museum, where today the spectacular crown of Queen Bling Bling goes on display.
Sparkly.
Chief Delaney, is this world-famous treasure safe in P-Town?
Absolutely, Sarah. I'd stake my job on it. The Gravitron system is unbeatable.
So, just how good is this Gravitron? Earlier, I spoke to P-Town's famous master thief, the fabulous Jonathan, who is currently behind bars at the P-Town Penitentiary.
Hi, Sarah. Loving that outfit. Welcome to my fabulous cell. Yes, the Gravitron system is absolutely unbeatable. I mean, I'm a fabulous thief, and I couldn't get past it. Who else could acquire that crown? Mother Goose? Please! Ha ha ha! She's not smart enough. She'll be at home right now on her tushy, filling her face with chocolates. Not smart enough? Me? How dare he? To the duckcopter!
So, the crown is safe even from Mother Goose. Back to the studio.
Oh boy, I see trouble ahead. Wakey, wakey, Bingo!
These P243 rollerblades need a bit of fine-tuning.
Come on, Dodge. Bingo, we gotta go. Boys, the goose just got slammed, and I bet my perfect fur she's not gonna take it lying down.